everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Jack Zach. I'm Jack Zach, and if this is your first time on this channel, welcome, and if you already subscribed, welcome back. Today, we are going to be cooking a favorite dish of many, grilled chicken, but we're going to be doing it Jack Zach style. And remember, this is all done in 30 minutes or less. Let's get started. Okay, let's start off by going what we're going to need today. First off, our chicken breast. Now, let's go over what we're going to season our chicken breast with. You're going to need salt, pepper, Lawry's seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and we're also going to be grilling up some zucchini today as well. I've already got my zucchini cut in half already, so what you're going to want to do is cut yours in half long ways, and we're going to season it with some salt, pepper, and we're going to be drizzling on top of it some EVO. Okay, let's season these bad boys up. First off, we're going to season them with some salt. Let's get the salt going here. Okay, now next we're going to use our pepper. Alright, next up we got our Lawry's seasoning salt. There we go. Very good. Okay, and next let's get our garlic powder going here. Got our onion powder. And last, we got our paprika. Yeah, buddy. Now, our zucchini. Set these aside. Now we got our zucchini. What I did is I scooped out the inner of the zucchini, and we're going to now salt them, pepper on them, and we'll get that EVO on top of them. Alright, let's get some salt on there. Next up, we got our pepper. Yeah, buddy. And we'll drizzle some EVO on top of there. Alright. Now, let's go fire up that grill. Alright, we got our food prepped, our grill's heated up. Now let's throw these chicken on there. Got a grill nice and hot. Get our chicken breast on here. Yeah, buddy. Okay. And now we're gonna cook these for about 6.5 minutes aside. And when we come back to flip them, we're gonna throw in our zucchini. All right, time to flip these bad boys. Looking good. Now we also want to throw on our zucchini. And we're gonna get those zucchinis on there. All right. Now let's let that cook for another 6.5 minutes, and I think we should be ready to eat. Alright guys, chicken and zucchini are done. All in all, this took a total time of 20 minutes. Now you got a great tasting meal in under 30 minutes, and if you're looking for a low carb meal, it doesn't get any better than this. Thank you all for watching today's episode of Cooking with Jack Zach. Hope to see you all next time. Remember to hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and comment below to let me know if you got any value out of today's episode, and we'll see you next time on Cooking with Jack Zach.